Okay, so we've looked at the evidence that supports the Big Bang Theory, and we're fairly confident that theory is a good theory in terms of explaining all the observations that we have so far. But the key question might then be, if we know the universe is expanding, what's the long-term future? Will it keep expanding forever? And basically the answer to that depends on gravity. Gravity is the main force which acts over these huge distances, which could slow down the expansion of the universe, possibly even cause it to start contracting again. But gravity, as we know, depends on the mass. So how much mass there is in the universe isn't important. So we have to try and estimate that. And basically, scientists now conclude that there's a lot of mass out there that we can't measure directly. Remember, all our measurements are based on telescopes measuring from Earth or from the Voyager, which was sent to the edge of the solar system. But we've not actually got very far. And scientists estimate that we can only actually measure about 10% of the matter out there, and that there's matter that we can't measure directly. So we call it dark matter until we find out more about it. And in particular, if we look at galaxies and look at how they're rotating, we do have a good understanding of the physics of how things rotate. And basically, if we look at the amount of visible matter we can see in a galaxy, then it shouldn't be rotating at the speed it is. There need to be more mass to keep that galaxy rotating at the speed it's doing. So the unknown mass that we don't know, we call dark matter. One other thing that was there, we talked a wee bit about the idea that if the universe is uniform. So when we did our estimate of the age of the universe, we assumed a straight line. The expansion has always been constant. But basically, we can start to look at that in a bit more detail, and it suggests that actually some objects are accelerating. And even when we look back in time, we can see evidence that it's possible or probably not been um, a, a uniform expansion up to now. Now, what could cause that acceleration? Because gravity, like I said earlier, could only cause a deceleration. So once again, there's something pushing there that we don't really know. So because we don't know it, we just call it dark. So it's called dark energy until we can find out more about it as well. So there must be some other force out there, some energy, which is a source of that force. And so we can't really understand yet or answer the question yet, will the universe keep expanding forever? There are some interesting theories out there that we can't prove that maybe it will just keep expanding forever. Maybe it will reach a certain point and then start to contract again. And other theories have proposed that maybe the universe has just been expanding, contracting, and been doing that for who knows how long.